Hey team, it's Mr. Z, and today we're going to do some compound interest. Let's take a closer look. All right, so the following formula, you take the principal, you multiply it by 1 plus r divided by n, and then you raise it to the nt power, where n represents the number of times the interest is applied, and t is the number of periods. So in this first situation, my compound interest for 7 years. So for 7 years, it's going to be the original amount, which is 1,000 being multiplied by 1 plus r as a decimal, 0.5, and it's going to be divided by the n. How many times is the interest applied? Well, it says it's compounded at the end of each year, so it's going to be divided by 1, and then it's going to be 1 times 7. So the output for this would be, I'm going to go ahead and enter using my calculator. I could go ahead and simplify it further. When I'm entering it, I can write it as 1,000 times 1.05 to the 7th power, which is going to be 1,407.10 If I do the second situation, Kyle puts $300 in his bank. So the bank offers an annual interest rate of 4%, which is compounded twice a year. How much money will Kyle have in 3 years? Well, in 3 years, it's going to be 300 times 1 plus the rate, which is going to be 0.04 divided by 2 to the 2 times t, which is going to be 3. So f of 3 is going to be equal to 300 times 1.02 to the 6th power. Using technology, we'll reveal that your answer will be 337.85. My last example is at MoneyBank. It's an annual rate. A new client opens an account with $7,200. How much money will be in the account at the end of 6 years? So f of 6 is going to equal to the original amount. So it's going to be 7,200 times 1 plus the rate is going to be 0.55 divided about how many times it's going to be compounded. It's compounded quarterly, so it's going to be compounded 4 times to the 4 times 6 power. F of 6 is going to reveal 7,200 times, I go ahead and simplify this with my calculator, 0.55 divided by 4. When I add it to 1, will be 1.01375. It's important not to round at this point to the 24th. Then I input all of this into my calculator, and I will get how much money he will have at the end of those 6 years. So, that's it for now. Hope this helped.